Hi, John Czapko, Thrive Insurance Group. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hey, today I wanted to talk about saving some money with our commercial auto rates. They're going up and up and up, and it's just getting crazy. So I have some ideas on ways that we save our customers on our commercial auto rates, and maybe these will help you in your business as well. So today we wanted to talk about saving money with commercial auto rates, and we wanted to give you some tips that we use with our commercial auto clients. And I thought it might be a good way to use a customer example in how we save this particular client some money in their commercial auto rates. They're a general contractor. They've got a fleet of trucks and some trailers that they use, 16-foot PJs. And what we've done is we've looked at a few ways to save the money. First off, we've classified them properly. So make sure your class codes are properly done within the insurer's rating system. Make sure that your radius of travel is accurate. We do, for this particular client, a 50-mile radius. That's enough for this particular client. You can go 50, 100, 200. Make sure that you map the radius of travel to the customer and their needs for their individual travel. If they're traveling across the state, make sure you're mapping that properly so that they're covered for interstate or intrastate or whatever their radius of travel may happen to be. The other thing that we want to make sure that we're looking at is, this got a little out of whack with this particular client, the number of drivers and the number of vehicles. They got a little out of whack with their ratios, and we had to make sure that we had the right number of drivers and the right number of vehicles. They got a little kind of sideways on that. And so we had to make sure that that was in line. And the last thing that we wanted to look at was telemetrics. And some people think of this as a little Big Brother-ish, but this is really the wave of the future. A lot of companies are really riding this wave, and it really looks at your driving behavior, GPS coordinates, different things of that nature. And then the last piece that I look at for our trucking risks, and it's a little tip, is to split out the cargo coverage. So if you're at trucking risk, split out your cargo coverage with a different carrier. If you have a cargo claim, it won't affect your commercial auto rates. So if you have a claim with cargo, which do tend to happen, if you have that with a separate carrier, it's not going to affect your commercial auto rate. So, just a little tip to kind of segment the risk and try to diversify your risk. Maybe that's going to help your risk profile as well. So if we can help in any way, please reach out to us through YouTube, through Facebook, through email. We'd love to be of service. Make sure you're working with your local commercial agent to ensure that you have the proper risk profile within your organization, and making sure that you're working with your local agency to make sure that that is mapped effectively. If you have any other questions, reach out to us. We'd love to be of service. And remember, thrive today, protect tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great day.